Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download various softwares. The first software which we will need is a very important software, which is your CentOS operating system. Just Google for CentOS operating system, go to the first link which comes over here, which says download. It should be in centos.org. So make sure that you are in this website. Do not download from any other websites except for https www.centos.org/downloads. So here go for stream and you will get the 9. So you don't actually have the 9 stream over here. So this is 7. This is downstream. This is upstream. So upstream has both 8 and 9 version. 9 is the recent version which I'm using on my training. So click on this x86-64 and it will get it downloaded. So I don't want to download it again. So it's quite heavy. So let's just say that. So it's about 10 GB, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, 9.5. Yeah, almost there. The next one which you're going to download is VMware. Just go to Google and type VMware download. You will get the VMware Workstation Player. Again, this is free. So you can see accept all. So download Workstation Player by commercial license. I don't want to buy commercial license. I want to try it. So go for this try Workstation Player for Windows and then just click on that. It gets downloaded as well. So it's about 550 MB around that. So you can get that downloaded as well. Next, go to Google and type Java JDK 11 download and you will see the archive over here. So if you just go over here, you will get the Java Standard Edition Development Kit JDK. And this is says it's 11.0. So let's go ahead and download the compressed archive. Why we are downloading compressed archive rather than RPM? Because RPM installed it on the default location and we don't want this to be installed on a default location. So we want to install it on U01 apps, right? So remember that's a folder we discussed earlier. So we want to install it on this one. So we download this compressed archive over here. So click on this, it should redirect it to, Oracle website, create an account, it's free, and get this downloaded. So the first, the VMware, go ahead and install it. You don't have to wait for me for the VMware installation. Oracle WebLogic, you cannot install neither CentOS nor, Java. So have that downloaded and keep it. Even Oracle WebLogic also. MobiXterm, you can actually install it. Okay, so Oracle WebLogic, just Oracle WebLogic download and you should see this page. And this page will have the generic installation for your Oracle 14C, which is 14.1.10. It doesn't have any patches. Even if it has patches, you may have to log into your, Office account or some account which actually has a membership and have that downloaded. So you have 2 versions here, the generic version and the slim version. Slim version is normally recommended for, your Docker instances and stuff like that, or your Kubernetes. If not, you just go for the generic one. As of now, we'll download the generic and use it. When we start the Docker session, I'll tell you how to download the slim version. Or you can have both of them downloaded and kept ready for, the future references as well. That's pretty much in terms of WebLogic download. If you're looking for older WebLogic version, you can also download it. But do remember, we have Java 11 installed. The older versions will not support Java 11. So that would be a mismatch. So you have to choose what you want to do with. You want to either go for 12.2 or you want to go for the latest one, which is 14.1. So 14.1 is recommended because it uses Java 11. In terms of MobiXterm download, just go to Google and type MobiXterm, then just click on that first link. Make sure you are mobatech.net. Don't get fooled by other versions because there could be some kind of a spam running. We don't know what time frame we're talking about. So yeah, there's a home edition which is free. Just download that and install it on your system. So this is a free version. So again, no need to pay anything anywhere to anyone. Thank you guys again for watching this video. I hope that your download is going smooth and fine. You guys have a nice day.